Abbot.
Does the attorney agree that a key element in upholding the rule of law is people's confidence in the rule of law? And does he agree there are a number of issues around this case which would tend to undermine confidence, both in the tragic Tomlinson family but also in the community as a whole? The question of the competence of the pathologist has been touched on. There is also the question of the checkered history of the policeman involved, who at one point was actually discharged from the Metropolitan Police Force. And there is also the question of the length of time it took the CPS to finish this inquiry, which meant that no prosecution of any kind may be brought. Does he agree with me that all of us in this House, committed to upholding the rule of law, have reason to be concerned about what has happened in this case?
Mr. Dominic Green.
Well, I certainly endorse the Honourable Lady's final comment. Yes, and I hope I made that clear. There is something profoundly unsatisfactory about a conflict of evidence arising on facts and the matters of this kind. Some of the matters she raises are not really within, as I say, my province. But can I just say this to her, that there may well be lessons to be learnt from this matter, and as I previously indicated, there is also, at least, this matter is not completely at an end. But that having been said, prosecutors have to see that the law is observed, but they have to act within the law and they have to act on the evidence. They are constrained by that. Indeed, that's one of their responsibilities and duties. And the fact that the evidence ends up unsatisfactory and that therefore the matter can't be taken any further does not mean that they haven't done their job properly.